Brothers and sisters, let me ask you something important. When life becomes difficult, when your heart feels heavy, when problems surround you from every direction, where do you turn? Many people search everywhere for peace. Some look for comfort in money, some look for it in people, others chase status, success, or recognition, hoping that it will fill the emptiness in their hearts. But the Qur'an teaches us a powerful truth. Real peace is not found in the creation, it is found in the Creator. This is the essence of Tawheed, the oneness of Allah. Tawheed means believing that there is only one true Creator, one sustainer, one controller of the universe. The one who created you, who knows your struggles, who hears your silent prayers even before you speak them. When a person truly understands Tawheed, their life begins to change. Their fears change, their priorities change, and even their hardships begin to feel different, because they know that everything is in the hands of Allah. Allah describes His oneness beautifully in the Quran. Say, He is Allah, who is one. Allah, the eternal refuge. He neither begets nor is born, nor is there to Him any equivalent. Subhanallah. These few short verses carry one of the most powerful messages in the entire Quran. Allah is one, not one among many, not one who shares His authority. He is the only one worthy of worship. Then Allah tells us that He is the eternal refuge. Think about this carefully. Every single human being needs something. We need food to survive. We need sleep to rest. We need help from others when we struggle. But Allah needs nothing. Every creation depends on Him, yet He depends on no one. Then Allah says that He neither begets nor is born. Allah is not part of a lineage like human beings. He was not created, and He does not create children the way people do. He is the creator of everything that exists. And then comes the final powerful statement, nor is there to Him any equivalent. Nothing in the universe compares to Allah. No king, no authority, no power, no creation can ever equal Him. When Tawheed truly settles in the heart, something beautiful happens. A believer becomes free from the slavery of the world. They stop worshipping money. They stop chasing the approval of people. They stop fearing the creation more than the Creator. Instead, their heart becomes connected to Allah. When they succeed, they thank Allah. When they struggle, they turn to Allah. When they feel lost, they remember that the one who controls the universe is always near and always listening. And this is why Tawheed is the foundation of Islam. Because when you truly believe that Allah is one, you realize something powerful. No problem is greater than the one who controls everything. No hardship is beyond His power. No prayer is unheard by Him. No tear falls except that Allah knows it. So strengthen your Tawheed. Learn about Allah, call upon Him alone, because the more your heart knows Allah, the more peace you will find in this life, and the greatest success will always belong to the one whose heart is attached to the one and only Allah. This content is for educational purposes only. Visit our short section for quick Islamic insights. Every share of knowledge is a reward. Like, subscribe, and let Click Deen 360 reach more hearts.